Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my art channel. Today I want to use my leftover paints from yesterday. Yesterday I made this wonderful birth of a tree. If you didn't see the creation of this tree by now, feel free to look at this video too. Yes. I have leftover from all of my paints I've used, only the magenta I have to mix. I want to do it today in another composition. I use a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas. I will make a background like yesterday with the phthalo green and oxide black. I will mix it a little bit that it is more opaque, but I will cover my sides before because it is not so opaque and I would have an issue with it, that the canvas would shine through. Yeah, the other colors I've used where I have the leftovers, I used Amsterdam Permanent Green Deep from Winsor & Newton Permanent Green Light. It is such an amazing, vibrant, shiny color. It is amazing. I use the Pearl Blue from Amsterdam in the mix with the background. Wow. Primary Magenta from Amsterdam. Titanium White from Amsterdam to brighten all these shades a little bit up. And of course my Rich Gold from Pebeo. Yes, I will mix my colors now and will cover my sides, and after that let's create a beautiful piece together. So have fun. So my dear friends, all my colors are mixed. All my colors, my background color and primary magenta, the rest are my leftovers. Yes, I will start with my background color, the mixture of phthalo green and oxide black. I covered my sides before, like you see, and I will start to cover the background, the whole canvas. Okay, I think that's enough. And yes, I will blow it out with my blow dryer. Pop out the air bubbles. Okay. So yesterday I made this tree and today I want to surround my canvas with my green tones, the gold and the titanium white, and in the middle I think I will create a leaf or a flower. I will see. I will follow my intuition. So I start with the surrounding. I will make tiny stripe of titanium white. Then the permanent green dark. A touch of white again. Then my permanent green light from Winsor & Newton. My gold. Yes, and a few spots of my primary magenta. Then a little bit of my background color inward, my flow, because I will blow it out with my mouth and I will blow it out to the outside. Okay, give it a quick torch. Okay, and let's start with part 1 from my vision I have. A little bit high. Okay, but this is really amazing. I like it very much. Yes. And I decided to make a wonderful leaf in it. It looks like wonderful fresh leaves or the surrounding. So. And now I'm looking for my second part, the leaf in it. I will not make it that big because we have some action in the surroundings right now. Yes, I will start with my white. My last of my dark green. Green light. Gold. White. I surround it with my pearl blue. And now I go with a few touches of few splashes of my primary magenta. So I will surround it with my background color. take a deep breath and blow it out with my mouth. Okay, let's start. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. I will connect it with a finger swipe. Oh wow, beautiful. Give it a torch. So my dear friends, I'm done. I'm showing you the wet result. So my dear friends, this is the wet result from my leftover paints. I think it turned out really beautiful. The canvas size is perfect for that, I think. The surrounding looks like fresh leaves, and in the middle, okay, I wanted to do a leaf, but it looks more like cute flowers. So this is the whole piece, and it is so vibrant, full of life, full of energy. I really like it, and I hope you like it too. I will post the dried result, the finished result on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to subscribe my art channel, to comment on this video, or to support me on Patreon. I will put all the links in the description of this video. So, I hope you have fun, and yes, we will see us in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.